Hi everybody, welcome to AS Engineering Academy. In this video, we will be discussing about RRB NTPC recruitment process. So coming to this RRB NTPC recruitment process, as per the latest calendar that was released by Railway Recruitment Board, the notification is expected between July to September. So this is for two different categories, level 4, 5, 6 and level 2 and 3. So these two categories notification will be coming in between July and September. Then when we come across the past notification of RRB NTPC which was given in 2019, here you can see the number of vacancies for +2 standard. So 12th standard up to 12th standard, these are the different kinds of posts that are there, and here a total of 10,628 posts were notified for +2 category. Then coming to the degree category, so here you can see 24,649 posts were notified in 2019. So these are the posts that were there. So these are like traffic assistant, goods guard, senior commercial ticket clerk, then you have station master, commercial apprentice, senior timekeeper, like these various kinds of positions are there. So for that, a total of 24,649 posts were notified in 2019. Now, coming to the recruitment process of RRB NTPC as per 2019 notification, here you can see there are 4 major stages. First one is CBT stage 1, computer based test stage 1, CBT stage 2, then you have TST or CBAT, then you will come across document verification and medical test. So this TST and CBAT, TST is typing skill test and CBAT is computer based aptitude test. So these two tests, depending upon the position, they will be varying. I will show you what are the different tests for different positions in this screen. You can see here for junior clerk cum typist, so this is level 2 post. Here you will have CBT stage 1. This is common for all the posts. Okay. Then CBT stage 2 is common for all level 2 posts. Then separate for level 3 posts, separate for level 4 posts, common for all level 5 posts and common for all 6 level posts. So CBT 2 will be differing depending upon the level of the notification or level of the post. Then for certain things you have typing skill test. You can observe here like junior clerk cum typist, accounts clerk cum typist, junior timekeeper, trains clerk. So for these you have typing skill test. Then for traffic assistant and station master, you have computer based aptitude test, CBAT. Okay. So this is as per the notification that was released in 2019, dear students. This time notification might have slight variations also. Okay. Then coming to RRB NTPC CBT 1 examination pattern. So here in this examination pattern, you will be coming across general awareness topic, mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning. Coming to general awareness, 40 questions will be there and each question carries 1 mark. Then mathematics, 30 questions will be there, 30 marks, and general intelligence and reasoning, 30 questions, 30 marks. A total of 100 questions will be there and the time duration is 90 minutes. There is negative marking of 1/3 for each wrong answer. So try to remember that in competitive examinations, you will have negative marking also. Then coming to the syllabus of RRB NTPC CBT 1 as per the 2019 notification. So here coming to the mathematics, you will have number system, decimals, fractions, LCM, HCF, ratio and proportions, percentage, mensuration, time and work, time and distance, simple and compound interest, profit and loss, elementary algebra, geometry and trigonometry, elementary statistics, etc. So this is the syllabus of mathematics, dear students. Now coming to general intelligence and reasoning. So here you will come across analogies, completion of number and alphabetical series, coding and decoding, mathematical operations, similarities and differences, relationships, analytical reasoning, syllogism, jumbling, Venn diagrams, puzzles, then data sufficiency, statement conclusion, statement courses of action, decision making, maps, interpretation of graphs. So this is the syllabus related to general intelligence and reasoning. Now let us see the general awareness part. So this is very important part because more number of marks were there for this general awareness part. So here you can see current events of national and international importance, games and sports, art and culture of India, Indian literature, monuments and places of India, history of India and freedom struggle, physical, social and economic geography of India and world, Indian polity and governance, then general scientific and technological developments including space and nuclear programs. Then you have UN and other important world organizations, environmental issues concerning India and world. Then basics of computers and computer applications is also there. Then common abbreviation, transport systems in India, Indian economy, famous personalities. Then you will come across flagship government programs, flora and fauna of India, important government and public sector organizations. And finally, general science and life science up to 10th standard CBSE syllabus also is a part of this general awareness. Okay, so this is the syllabus that is there for CBT1 examination. CBT2 examination pattern. Here, dear students, the marks weightage is slightly different. So, as per the 2019 notification itself, time duration for this examination is 90 minutes only. But here you have general awareness 50 questions, 50 marks, mathematics 50 questions, 35 questions, 35 marks, general intelligence and reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks, and a total of 120 questions will be there, and there is 1/3 negative marking. So, 1/3 negative marking is there for CBT2 here. And coming to the syllabus part, you people have a greater advantage that as per 2019 notification, CBT1 and CBT2 has the same syllabus. You can observe the same syllabus is there for CBT1, CBT2 in all the aspects like mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning as well as general awareness. Same syllabus is there, dear students. This is a bigger advantage to you. The level of questions might be slightly different. Okay, so accordingly you have to plan and prepare for the examination. Then coming to this important note here, the normalized marks scored by the candidate in the second stage CBT shall be used for shortlisting the candidates for document verification for the posts which do not have typing skill test or computer based aptitude test. So, in the previous slides we have seen for some posts there is no typing skill test or CBAT examination. So, for those people based on the second stage CBT score only the document verification will be called for. Then for the posts having typing skill test CBAT, the normalized marks scored by the candidate in the second stage CBT shall be used for shortlisting the candidates for these skill tests or computer based aptitude test. Okay, dear students, try to remember these points carefully. Then coming to the computer based aptitude test part. So, here only for candidates who have opted for traffic assistant and station master, for these two posts only this CBAT examination will be there. Then coming to the qualifying marks. So, here minimum T score of 42 marks in each of the test batteries to qualify. So, this is applicable for all the candidates irrespective of the community or category, dear students. So, try to remember this. Then candidates equal to 8 times the number of vacancies of station master or traffic assistant for each of the communities, okay, shall be shortlisted for CBAT based on their performance in the second stage CBT. So, this is also an important thing, try to remember. Then such shortlisted candidates should produce the vision certificate. So, this is very, very important, dear students. Try to remember that this vision certificate is very, very important for railway examinations, and that should be as per Annexure 6 that will be present in the notification. Okay, so when the detailed notification of 2024 comes, we will make another video so that you people will understand. Okay. Then candidates will have to qualify in each of the test batteries of CBAT, considering them for the posts of SM, station master, and TA. Then the CBAT shall have questions and answer options only in English and Hindi. There shall be no negative marking in CBAT. So, this is also an important thing, try to remember that. The SMTA merit list will be drawn only from amongst the candidates qualifying in the CBT with 70% weightage for the marks obtained in second stage CBT. So, 70% weightage will be in CBT2 and 30% weightage from CBAT. So, try to remember 70-30 proportion is there here. Okay. Coming to RRB NTPC typing skill test, TST. So, here for the posts of senior clerk cum typist, junior accounts assistant cum typist, senior timekeeper, junior clerk cum typist, accounts clerk cum typist, and junior timekeeper. Typing skill test of qualifying nature will be there here, and here you can see the candidate should be able to type 30 words per minute. So 30 words per minute in English, 25 words per minute in Hindi on personal computer only, without editing tools and spell checking facility. So this is very, very important, dear students. So typing speed is an important part in typing skill test. Then coming to the guidelines of this typing skill test, in Hindi, Krutidev and Mangal font shall be made available for typing skill test on personal computer. Exemption in typing skill test may be extended to candidates who are permanently disabled due to blindness, low vision, cerebral palsy, or locomotor disability with not less than 40% permanent disability. Okay, so try to remember this. So for that, there should be some exemption certificate as per the annexure 5. You need to consider that also. Okay, merit will be drawn only for the candidates qualified in the TST or TST exempted PWBD candidates based on the performance in second stage CBT. So here also second stage CBT score and typing skill test is just qualifying in nature. Okay, dear students, ACE Engineering Academy is offering RRB NTPC pre-recorded course with 400 plus hours of course, 360-degree coverage of current affairs, 10 plus years of previous year questions and live doubt clearing sessions with experts. So this is the pre-recorded course that will be available for you, dear students, and here this pre-recorded course can be downloaded from ACE online app, and there are subscription options for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. Price starts from 3,500 rupees and there is a 25% discount when you use NTPC 25 code. Okay, so you people can download ACE online app either by scanning the QR code or just going to the Play Store and downloading ACE online app. Okay, then we have SSC CGL course also, which will be helpful for you people. So the pre-recorded course is there for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. There is 20% off for this SSC CGL course and you need to use the code ACE20 in order to avail the discount. Okay, for more details, you can contact this number 7799996602 or you can mail for help@ace.online or you can visit www.aceenggacademy.com, ACE Engineering Academy official website. Okay, thank you. All the very best.